Hey everybody, it's Mike Kellam here at Gananoque Chev. Maybe you've driven by the dealership lately or you've been on our website and noticed that we don't have the inventory that we ordinarily would. Well, today we wanted to take a minute and make a video to let you know what's going on so that you're not worried and we can show you what your options are. Ordinarily, the lot behind me would be full of pickup trucks and full-size SUVs, but this year, the automotive business is experiencing a shortage in microchips, which does seem kind of crazy. However, microchips are the things that power all the high-tech features on the vehicles, as well as a lot of the driving assistance features that people have come accustomed to. So, what this means is, we're waiting while that supply builds back up for the vehicles that would ordinarily be here to actually be built and arrive. Some of these vehicles have even been built and are actually waiting in a staging lot at General Motors for the microchips to arrive and be put in, at which point they'll be shipped. So you may be faced with your lease ending, or perhaps you're just in the market for a new vehicle and you'd really like to take advantage of the programs that are on right now that General Motors has. The nice thing about what we can do is we can book a VIP purchase consultation and have you come in and take a look at the 70 vehicles that we do have arriving. So these vehicles are scheduled to be produced. We can see exactly what the configuration is, and in certain situations we can even change some of the configurations to better suit what you were hoping to get. At that point, we would put your name down on an order form, we would get a deposit, and we would mark that vehicle as sold for you when it arrives. That way, you know predictably when your vehicle will be here and exactly what it's going to be like. So like I said, we do have 70 vehicles that are scheduled to be produced at this time. Of those 70 vehicles, 20 of them have been spoken for at VIP purchase appointments. So what we're now doing is trying to make sure the rest of the 50 get spoken for by our loyal customers who are looking for a vehicle. As well, there will be more vehicles that we get allotment for as the weeks and months go on. So we can also offer you those vehicles as well when they become available. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video to provide you with this information. If you do have any questions about the vehicle shortage, about options that we have coming in, or really anything in general about this type of purchase scenario, in the email below we have included links for all of our sales staff so you can reach out and contact them about any questions that you might have. Thanks so much again for watching and have a great day.